This is a Panasonic washing machine, top loader, twin top, and it's new but has been left for so long and it's never been used. Now it's not working, so I want to see the twin top. Here we have the spinner, and here is the washing tub itself. So we're going to see what happens, whether we can fix it.
So we can see how clean the parts are. See, very new. The nylon is still on the body. It was never used and now it's not working. That's what we are going to fix right now.
Panasonic 6 kg.
So the rotor was kind of stiff and I was able to unlock that. I was able to make it run again, and also the settings were correctly set. That's how it is now working.
The last part is to check the capacitor, or what they usually call condenser, for the washing machine. So usually the capacitor, when it lies, when the washing machine lies fallow for so long a time like that, the capacitor may be bad, and that may be the reason why when you turn it on after a long time, even though the machine is new, it won't work. So you can check the capacitor and replace the capacitor with the same size of capacitor that we have there. Then finally you will discover that the machine will now work, and that is what we did on this particular machine. So you can try that out if you have a new machine that refused to work. Alright, it appears that the settings and the other parts have been lying fallow for some time, that's why. But now we can see that it's working. We check the spinner too, it's working. Now we're going to put clothes there to try and wash something, so that we know that truly it is working fine. So we're going to put wet clothes and soap to check it. It's washing, it's working well, at least for the first time. It's washing. So we are going to drain this water out and put another water cool.
So I was showing the grandma how to make use of it. Was showing her the settings, that the settings will be set according to the quantity of clothing put into the washing tub and according to how dirty they are. So setting like 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 8 minutes, 9 minutes, according to quantity of clothes and how much dirty they are. Showing her what to do and how to use it. Now the machine is working and is still under trial, but I've been able to put this into good use. I've been able to make this work. It has never worked, that's why I was invited into this home, and it is working fine now.
The spinner too is working. You can see the spinner working here, draining the water out. So this is the first test run of the machine, and then we want to stop it now. We are stopping it. Okay. So draining of the water is also working. Everything is in order. The fuse was not ready in position, and we have done that. We have put it in place. everything is in order now, working fine.